What's up, beautiful people? I am Grace and welcome to my channel. This is my official first YouTube video and it's been a long time coming. YouTube has been staring at me from my vision board all year long, and it is December, you guys. It is December 2024, the last month of this year, and I am finally here. I finally decided to just film the damn video and just to show myself to the world, because what the heck do I have to lose? Nothing. So here I am, so ready to dive into this new beginning with open arms and tons of excitement. Now, a little bit about myself. I am 35 years old, proudly Angolan-Congolese. Shout out to my Angolan-Congolese family out there. I've been living here in Switzerland for 8 years on and off. I work as a surgical tech contractor here in Switzerland, and it has given me the freedom to do what I love to do the most, which is travel. And that's exactly what this channel is all about. Travel, growth, and connection. So this is going to be a way for me to document my growth, but also my travels, specifically in Asia and Africa, because those are my two favorite continents in this world. Not to say that the rest of the world is not good or not fun at all, but I just find myself always going back to some countries in Asia or just traveling all through Africa. I hope I can capture not just the destinations, but the culture, the people, and everything behind the scenes, the authenticity of those countries that I'm going to be traveling in. My mission on this channel is to build a community, a tribe full of like-minded people who believe that life is just too short to stay in one place, okay? We are not staying in one place. We are moving, and I'm just ready to document all of my moves. I also will be sharing travel tips to help you feel prepared for your upcoming trips. Now, everything from how to plan, what to pack, and what to avoid. Like, I just want to be your go-to place where you come back and find valuable information that would just enrich your upcoming travel. And if you're wondering, why am I doing this? It's simple. I am just trying to challenge myself to step out of my comfort zone and just build something that I know and I feel will be bigger than me. So this journey is more than me. It's also about inspiring all of you to step into your boldest selves and start whatever you've been holding off all this year long, and just start. So this is my way of ending this year with a very, very, very bold move and putting myself out there. So if you also are passionate about travel, growth, and making the most out of this thing we call life, then you have found your channel. So please stick around, grow with me, and yeah, let's just build that tribe. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification for my next video that is coming up very soon. And yeah, just come into my world.